a ball in here. It doesn't go in there. Look at that. It's a giant one. Yeah.
Red.
It's red.
Over here.
I don't know if it's going to stay there, though, but look at this. You can make 2 towers, and then you can use a giant one to connect them.
More.
Yeah, put more on there.
You could build a city on there, Allison.
That's right.
2.
Pile them right up.
Nope.
No, right there, huh?
This here.
Yeah, look at that.
What's that? What's that?
Look at that. What is
Green.
that?
Green.
No, that's not green.
The yellow.
It is yellow. What is this, though?
That's green.
Yes, that is green. Look, you can make them go sideways.
Big square.
It's a big square, yeah.
Go top.
Yeah, it goes on the top. Put it on the top.
Uh-oh.
Did you make? You didn't build a good tower. Yours fell over. My tower's not falling over. Look at my tower.
My tower. My tower.
Oh, what? It's yours now? Now suddenly it's your tower, huh? Oh, it's the camera. You like having your picture taken, Chase? Is that it?